Hello students, welcome to the topic of layouting and making a notice board. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to make a notice board.
Materials, tools and equipments. Felt cloth, plywood, sandpaper, wood glue, hardwood, chisels, mallet, measuring and marking tools, pencil, dovetail saw, bar clamps, ball peen hammer, smoothing plane, nails, drill machine, dowel pin, jack plane, bevel square. Process: plane the wooden pieces to square as per the dimension. Mark and make the total length of top and bottom pieces. Mark and make the miter bridle joint, socket part, on both the ends of top and bottom pieces. Mark and make the total length of both the side pieces. Mark and make the miter bridle joint, pin part, on both the ends of side pieces. Prepare the dowel pin as required. Mark the drill hole position on the middle of the joint. Socket part. Set the bar clamp at the required distance. Apply glue on all the pin and socket part of the joint. Assemble the piece together. Place the assembled frame in between the jaws of bar clamp and tighten together properly. Tighten the bar clamp. Make 6 mm drill bit the marked point. Apply favicol on the surface of wooden peg. Insert and drive the wooden peg on the drilled hole. Repeat the same procedure for other 3 come-off joints. Check the squareness of the frame. Smooth the surface of the frame using sandpaper. Cut the felt cloth as per the plywood size. Paste the felt cloth over the plywood. Position the plywood on back side of the frame. Join both the frame and plywood by nailing through the plywood. Smooth all the surface using smoothing plane. Apply sandpaper all over the surface of notice board and smoothen it.
In this video, we learn about layouting and making of a notice board.